Hello friends, are you preparing for SSB the right way? There are so many groups formed by aspirants and many are admin as well. So you must be part of any of the groups or you may not be part of groups. The biggest problem or challenges which the groups face is guidance. What happens here is there are so many people with lot of experience in appearing for SSB. Generally, most of the candidates who are there are not recommended. There are few groups in which few recommended candidates do come and give some advices. Is this the right way? What happens in these groups? Generally, you discuss various current affair topics, service knowledge topics, which is very good. Having groups, is it right? Yes. Having groups and being part of the group is not at all bad. You must be part of some group which does some meaningful discussion. Here, lot of discussions take place on what is happening around us. But there is a flip side as well. What happens here is, once these groups start working or functioning properly, then people start getting confident. Now you start sharing various pictures on the group. There is the admin of the group and other members of the group. Based on these pictures, people give suggestions and you start changing the story depending on various suggestions from experienced SSB not recommended candidates. The only problem here is the story what comes out in the end is not really your story, which may harm you. Going one step ahead, these groups start having interviews amongst themselves. You exchange PIQ and one person is interviewing the other candidate, similarly vice versa. Is this really doing justice to what is required as SSB? Because most of the candidates who are there are not aware of the requirements of SSB, which is a fact. Subscribe and press on the bell icon for getting regular updates for new videos. I will give you an example. Suppose I am a patient of heart and I have various heart ailments and I join a group of heart patients. We start discussing on various things that can be done. We take Ayurvedic medicines, we take homeopathic medicines, we recommend Unani medicine. All this to one extent is fine because all are herbs and may not really harm a person. But when we move a step ahead, where we start prescribing medicines based upon various prescriptions that actual doctors has given to us, this is harmful. Similarly, with more confidence, now you have so many people who have undergone so many attempts at SSB, or in parlance we say that have undergone so many surgeries. They say that, okay, I have undergone surgery, so I have experience. So I will do surgery on all of you. Or let us do surgery on each other. You are also confident. Our mind is like a human being, much more than that. By corrupting it from various inputs getting from outside, we harm it, which I feel is not really required. We should not get into something where we are not really clear about. I am part of many groups where candidates have invited me to join. Generally, I am a silent observer, and only in case where something is going beyond the normal, I point it out and generally it is corrected. Recently, it happened in one group. The admin is well known and is a good follower for me. There I pointed out something to be careful where he got offended. See, your intention is absolutely right. There is nothing wrong forming these groups and participating discussions. But you must understand that it is a specialist job. As I have been an assessor in the SSB, in parlance you can say a heart surgeon who can do that surgery. So it is always better to leave that job of trying to change something to the experts. In fact, there is no need to change anything. Only thing what you have to do is work on your personality. If you do that much, that should be sufficient instead of trying to work on TAT, WAT, pictures, which may cause more harm than fruitful. In case you want me to be part of your group as well, do let me know. If I have time, I can join and I will keep being a silent observer. However, wherever I feel that some lines are being crossed, I would keep pointing out and also maybe share some valuable input from my experience as an assessor. Do watch our channel for various videos on this as well as other topics. If possible, join the AFO SOP privilege batch, which works on the personality rather than TAT, VAT, SRT. Here I take interview sessions as well as individual interviews. In case you want to join only for interview, you can message me on 7088993444 and I will forward you the details. But I have very limited slots, so I may not be able to accommodate everybody. Keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.